SERV stock analysis tomorrow. Is it a buy? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. The first thing that I want to mention is that Friday was not the best. I mean, it was the worst. 40% down is crazy. Peril. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free, like 5, 10, 20x moves, and all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. Specifically with SERV, what exactly I'm looking at is I'm very open still for this long side. I mean, I've talked about this before. The main thing and idea behind this was that, yeah, I mean, I began being bullish from here. The links that you see like right here are just previous proof. Right, so for the time we were 11.55 2 months ago. So like we're pretty much at the same exact level, but we went as high as 23, 24. So that's like 140% increase in price from that exact low. Right, yeah, 110 approximately. But yeah, I'm still genuinely very open for buys, but the reason why it says waiting is because I must see the shift in order for me to take things up. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.